What's up guys, welcome back. It is JT Traveler and today we got yet another video. So today we're going to be continuing the series of upgrading this mountain bike and turning it into the ultimate travel machine, the ultimate hybrid, the do anything bike. Now in the previous video and over time I have been making my own little modifications to it, like putting on the fenders, making a frame bag, and some water holders down here, and upgrading the pedals. I've also finally got a little bell right up there. But in this video, we have some major changes coming to the Zion Ascend mountain bike. This is a little sneak peek. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, let's get this unboxed. All right, let's bring out the SOG Power Pint. Yes, sir. All right, let's go ahead and unbox. So this thing took forever to come in just because it's foreign. I think it's from the UK or something like that. Let's go ahead and pull it out finally after 3 weeks. Oh yeah, buddy. If you guys don't know what this is the Sonder Confucius handlebar. Yes, sir. So this is the BV handlebar tape. It had good reviews on Amazon, so hopefully it's real good. Yeah. But my plan is to put it on these parts of the handlebar, so that way I have a second place of grip if I wanted to. Now ouch, man, this thing stabbed me. But word on the street is that I broke my derailleur, and depending on who you ask, that might be true. But just in case that is true, I had bought another Shimano Altus derailleur for the back rack because this one allegedly is broken. Now I've never changed the derailleur, but I think I can try and see if I can figure it out. I'm just going to try to reverse engineer everything and hopefully get it right. I have watched one YouTube video, so hopefully that's enough to do this successfully the first time. Or else I just have to take it in. Let's go ahead and start with the hardest first, and let's go ahead and do that with derailleur. Get that out the way, and then we can move to the handlebars and setting up the whole setup for my production stuff. All right, guys, wish me luck. Okay, let's do this without breaking anything. All right, so now is the part where I should watch the video again to see what I'm doing. But before I do that, we have to at least make one attempt. Actually, no. I think he told me to take off the chain ring. Or not the chain, but he told me to take off the chain. So I have to find where it comes off. Should be one of these. There we go. It's right here. Let's see if I can do it with this. Oh, man. I'm a failure. I'm gonna go get a tool and I'll come back and do this. Yeah. Alright guys, we are back. I went to Walmart and I got this tool and I used it, I think right, I don't know if I did it right or not, and I was stuck in the chain. Oh, we did it. Oh yeah, it's like unlocking a volt or something. Yeah, this whole derailleur just bent. And I'm hoping it's not that main piece. I'm hoping it's just a derailleur that's broke and not this piece right here, because then I have to replace that whole piece. Okay. All right, the derailleur is out, and see, that looks pretty straight. So meaning the thing that's bent is this main piece, which is not good. Guys, it has been so long since the last clip. It's been 2 weeks. 2 weeks. I haven't been able to ride my bike. I've been walking around. I've been running. What's going on here? All this pain is because of this piece right here, the Derailer Hanger. Okay, so I had previously dropped my bike and this whole bottom part broke, like it bent in. I bent it back out, but then the inside threads were stripped and messed up, so I couldn't get the new derailleur in. And then when I did get it in, halfway, it wasn't working right. So I had to order a new part. But I didn't know it was gonna be that hard. So first, being naive, I thought I could go walk into any bike store and give me another Derailer Hanger. Wrong, this one's completely different than anything out there. So I went to 2 different bike stores, they didn't have it. So then I had to go through Cabela's and Bass Pro Shop, their customer service. So the first time I tried that for like a week, and they were saying they didn't have the part, they couldn't find out who it is, blah blah, where to get it from, they don't know who manufactured it. I tried calling Ascend, they didn't know. Turns out it shows you like the manufacturer on their sticker right here, but I didn't know that. But I ended up calling back to Bass Pro Shop and talked to a product specialist, and she was able to help me out and give me the part that I needed, which is here. So basically with this, I'll be able to finally put my derailleur back on my bike, and I should be able to use my bike finally. Hopefully the shifting system is not messed up, and we can get this finished, and we can get back on our adventures once again. Let's see what this is looking like. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Look at it. Absolutely stunning. Don't focus on my face. Come on now. Focus on my hand. Right there. Yeah, look at that. The threads are threaded. And I should be able to get this on my bike, hopefully. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I've ridden a bike. Let's see how these match up. Yeah, it's definitely still bent. So this is a new piece. I'm gonna go ahead and order like 5 more of these, just because I went through so much trying to get this piece. So as I'm shifting, I can't get to these ones. I think maybe I got the wrong derailleur. Let me try and go up. Try and go back down. That is interesting. Even when I go to the bigger chainring, it does the same thing. I think I may have the wrong derailleur, which sucks. Guys, today was literally the last day I could return the derailleur. That's crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and return it and get me one that fits my bike, which sucks because I went through all this trouble and it doesn't even fit my bike. But you know, this is all my fault. This is my first time doing it. I'm still young, so by the time I'm 30, I should get this down by then. Hopefully. Well, sadly, we had to put on the old derailleur, but that's fine. I talked to some bike guys and they said maybe it just needs a tune up. So I put the old one back on. It's working now just fine, which is amazing. And now I'm going to send you to a time lapse. We're going to change the handlebars out. Let's finally put on the Sonder Confucius. Alright, we're ready to put it on. Let's go ahead and get it done. I'm going to be putting on the grips now. I was watching on Burn Peak that if you put rubbing alcohol on this and inside there, then it's easier to slip on. So let's go ahead and test that out and see if that's true. I barely have any isopropyl. Oh my gosh, and I just spilled it all over the floor. No! Oh my gosh, this is a mess, everybody. Oh, it's working. It works greatly. I'll have to get some more alcohol today. And I'm not talking about that chug. I think I'm just gonna put it on the handlebar. I bet. Oh my gosh, I should put it on the rim. Oh wait, no, I messed up. I messed up, guys. I didn't put the shifter and the brake on first on this side. I did on the other side though. Straight up goofing up right now, guys. Okay. We kind of sanded it on, but that's fine. Let's try to salvage the rest of the alcohol we have. Alright. Oh yeah, that was amazingly easy. And I think I overused the alcohol. Let's see if this is tight now. It can still dry up a little bit. I think I may have put on too much. So I'm going to pull them off one by one. Put them back on. There we go. Oh, I waited too long. Fast. No, I waited too long. No. All right, I think it's all done. Yeah, the reason why I got this is because I want to be able to put my hands up here when I'm just chilling. I'm gonna have multiple ways to grip the handlebar. Also wanted more stuff for my gear and storage, because I think I'm gonna make like a bag that hangs down right here. That'd be pretty cool. All right, next we have to put on the grip tape on this. So let's go ahead and take everything off. I don't think I did the worst for my first time, but I feel like I could have done better. I put electric tape on the end of it. Feels good. Yep, that was definitely better on my first run. Got a little chunky right here, but that's fine. A little bulk is not too bad. Okay, I think it's basically done. On the modifications, I think they're all done. So, with that said, there's only one thing to do, and that's to hop on my bike and see how this puppy roars. Oh yeah, this is nice. I can put my hands up in the front. I'm just vibing out. I may put some more tape in the front, very front, so that way I can go all the way in the front and rest my arms and have so much more room to put my stuff. It's been forever, man. I've been wanting a bike for 2 weeks. Haven't been able to bike, man. It's been terrible. And my gears are shifting correctly, so I don't think those are too broken. Yeah, man, this is good, man. It's good. I'm gonna have to go on another long bike ride so I can give it the full review. We got this Derailer Hanger finally. Derailer's working good. And we have no more hindrances on our bike packing journeys. So, proud about that, glad about that. It took a little bit, but we got everything we needed to put this bike back together. And yeah, thanks for watching. Man, I haven't said this outro in a minute because I've been doing a YouTube cleanse. That's another video coming out. But thank you guys for watching. Have a good day today, tomorrow, and yesterday. Adios.